how to use Kittl for t-shirt design. All right, so your first step would be to create a new project. To do this, click on the three horizontal lines at the top left. Once you clicked on this option, go ahead and select new project and you'll be met with your blank space. Now, the next thing you can do, which is optional, is to use a template. So with a template, you already have everything you need, such as graphics, text, colors, effects, and textures. But in order to start from scratch, all you need to do is just simply click on where we have template and go with the template, or you could go with text options and simply add your text. You could have different badges or text or decorations applied to your project. Now, if you want to add more things like illustrations and graphic elements, all you need to do is just simply head into the illustrations menu here and simply select an illustration you'd like to customize. So it could be something like a basic shape like a circle, and then you could customize the color by clicking on the color and just designing it. Now we have a flag of Japan. All right, and you can now go ahead and add some more text to it by just selecting what you want. It's gonna appear here and boom, it fits right into the illustration. And once you're done, just go ahead and close out of here. And the next step you're going to be taking is previewing on mockups. So you can use mockups to see how your design looks on an actual t-shirt. This is great for online stores and thumbnails. So all you need to do here is where we have this arrow, click on this purple arrow and then just simply add a mockup. So go ahead and click on mockup and it's going to showcase what it looks like on a shirt. So basically this is how it looks. Just close the mockup menu here and voila, you get to see what it looks like. This is the design we made. We can go ahead and enlarge the text and it would reflect. We can also enlarge the shape behind it as well. So we have this sort of unique design for our t-shirt. And then you can drag it across any point of the mock-up you want. And boom, that's it. You could even change the mock-up colors. So you could get it to look a bit yellow. But basically, this is how it works. You could also do the same for the background here by simply adjusting the colors. You could simply adjust the colors as much as you want so it looks or matches the colors on your screen. All right, guys, and that's it.